churches are intrinsically part of a global ecumenical community. This global church fellowship was experienced by many of us in Karlsruhe recently, where we gathered for the 11th Assembly of the World Council of Churches. Hello, I am Jørgen Skov Sørensen. I serve as the General Secretary of CEC. When friends and colleagues ask me, what was it like to be part of the Assembly in Karlsruhe? I tend to use words like abundant and plentiful. The Assembly was an abundance of impressions, plentiful in the richness of cultural expressions. The gathering of the World Church in one place is spiritually rewarding. For me personally, connections were formed with people representing CEC member churches. It was a welcome opportunity to speak about the new CEC strategic aims and listen to the concerns of European churches with regard to the ongoing war in Ukraine. It was time well spent. As we move on towards our own CEC Assembly in Tallinn in 2023, exploring the theme Under God's Blessing, Shaping the Future, we plan for a strong church fellowship to inspire us all. Our assembly will be focused on Europe, but our reflections will have implications for our brothers and sisters in the ecumenical family beyond our region. We hope and pray that our assembly will also offer abundance and be plentiful in the richness of impressions, reflecting Christianity in Europe today. Thank you for watching. Visit our website and follow us on social media to learn more.